Hey, okay. 𝒯.𝒃.𝒻.𝓉.𝒂.𝒃.𝒃.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and I'm back again with another as video. If you're new to my channel, my name is 𝒯.𝒃.𝓀, and you're welcome. Thank you, and please stick around. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me and chill. So basically, I'm going to be playing my top favorite songs so far in 2020, and we're just going to, vibe. We're going to chill. We're going to just enjoy ourselves while we get ready to go nowhere but to shoot another YouTube video. So without further ado, let's just begin. First thing, I'm going to wipe my face with the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. For moisturizer, I use the 𝒃.𝒻.𝓉.𝒂.𝒃.𝒃 Polypeptide Cream. Next thing I use is my setting powder. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Banana. Yeah, Banana. So I'm just going to take a bit of that and then lightly dab that over my face. Next thing I do is use my setting spray. This is a 𝒃.𝒃.𝒃 setting spray. The next thing I'm going to be doing is prime my face. This is the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Next, I'm going to be applying my foundation, and this is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. It's in the shade NW48. I'm going to shake that well before I use it. I love this foundation because it's my exact shade. But you guys, can you see I've been breaking out? I don't know why. I guess maybe it's the change of weather or something. I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 440. I actually got the wrong shade of concealer, so it's kind of orange. But we're going to use it like that. Working on the weekend like usual, yeah. This is like my second favorite song or third favorite song right now. I just need the whole makeup box. Can somebody just get me a full makeup box filled with a lot of things in it? I would love you, eh? Hey, I'm just going to be doing my skin basically before I do my eyeshadow. I've never really done this. Okay, I have done this, but like I don't really like this method. But let's just try for this one. Hey, okay. One slide. And now my brown pencil, I'm just going to draw my brows.
Brown skin, pretty brown eyes, slim waist, but her hips kind of wide, thick thighs. Baby, girl, give me something. God damn, you know who I am. Why she keep calling my phone, speaking sexually? Every time I'm out, why she stressing me? You call her Stephanie, I call her 𝒯.𝒃.𝓉.
like a queen, baby. Maybe. I just changed up. I'm looking cute to go nowhere but shoot another video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, you share this video to all your lovely people, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Rise. You know me, I'm dead jealous. And the girls love me 'cause I'm dead jealous.